Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, uh, let us greet and thanks to our God, Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala, who has given us mercy and blessing, so we can attend in this place without any troubles and obstacles. Secondly, salawat and salam, even given to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has been guiding us to the light era. So in this occasion, I would like to share some IT material about UI design, user interface design. So before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Taufikur Nasution, and I'm from 11th grade of DKV. So without further ado, start. Let's just get into the material. So I'm gonna share my screen first. Okay, okay. And so, first thing first, so you have to open your Figma. You can search down on your browser. You can use Chrome or uh, Firefox or Opera. It's up to you. And search for Figma.com. And after that, you register, or if you if you didn't have any account, you can register, or if you already have an account, you can log in, and it will appears like this. And after that, if it's already appear like this, you have you can add design file. It's up here with a blue button, so you can click create a new design file, and it will shows like this, and you can rename your file right here, maybe practice, and you can change your background in here. It's up to you if you want to use white background or black background. I prefer to use white background. So today what I'm going to talk about is how to improve our UI design or user interface. So basically, user interface is a design that we used to see in our smartphone. Like we used to see it in uh, application browser, and UI is not only at application or website. UI is what we see, and UI is visual, and all of the things that we see is user interface. And so yeah, so but today I'm gonna talk about UI in smartphone and mobile. So you can wait. I'm gonna change my share screen. So I'm gonna share my entire screen. And if you guys didn't know that, uh, if you want to make an UI design for application or website, you can search for inspiration in Dribbble. Dribbble.com is a social media platform for designers to upload their works, and as you can see, there are many UI design that in Dribbble. So but I suggest you to search on inspiration that from a creative agency, not from people like I'm gonna show you. Wait a minute. Uh, Go to inspiration and look for mobile. So not only in Dribble, we're not only seek for mobile or web inspiration. You can see for animation, blending, and illustration, and any other design. So Dribble is a social media platform for designers, and so I recommend you to seek on inspiration that are uploaded from digital agency studio like Kreatia, Vectora, or Adama. So why? Because if you see on a personal project or one personal project, it can be that the design is too explorative and it uh, is not good as what the creative agency uploaded. So I recommend you to seek on inspiration from studio design like Kreatia, Studio Kreatia Odama, Caraka, and many other studio that are in Dribble. So first we want to make something just simple. We want to make an onboarding, so we can search onboarding and it will appears thousand of onboarding design. As you can see here, there are a lot of design onboarding design, but yeah, it's up to you if you want to pick what. But I usually when I design something, I used to look on inspiration of a website called Mobin. So Mobin is a website that real real app. So it can be it how do you say, like the design is confirmed to be developed. But if we look on inspiration on Dribble, it is not confirmed that the design can be developed. So I recommend you to mix it. When I then I used to uh, I used to I use this method. So the method is in Indonesia we call it ATM, or if or we can say it remix. So it kind of uh, so we search for main inspiration and for example onboarding, and we look on main inspiration maybe 3 until 5 inspiration, and then 5 until 3 inspiration of onboarding screen, and after that five from that 5 inspiration we take the best part from the inspiration. Maybe the inspiration one we take the image preview, and for the inspiration two we take the layout text and any other and more. So we're gonna use that. So for example we want to make onboarding, you can search for it. And for example, okay, wait a minute. Hmm. So for it's loading. So as you can see here, the layout from these two apps is different. We can copy it. We take Spotify for the inspiration, and then we take this one as an inspiration too, and we will combine it become one. And when I first design something, sorry, So when I first design something, my design was not that good, but if you practice, you will get used to it and you will improve your design taste, and also it will affect your design skills. So my okay, after that we search for another inspiration. So apparently this, if you want to see another screen, you have to get Pro. So we just seek on this. We just search it manually and okay, wait a minute, and we copy again, and then we paste it. We paste it, or yeah, and then after that we will look on five inspiration. Okay, no, it's not. Okay, space number one. Okay, I think the internet is not that good, so we're gonna use these three things to design. So we're gonna first you have to take frame, phone, phone frame. It's up to you what type you want to choose. If you want to choose iPhone 15 Pro Max, you can choose it. You can minimize this in the inspiration to, okay, for example, like this. And another that, so there are three inspiration that we take. And in my opinion, the best design is the Spotify one. Simple and the context is clear. So so we're gonna use this inspiration. Example is like this, and that we will type the text maybe what, uh, millions of promo, and millions of promo, uh, only on Promofy, Promofy, and then we're gonna increase the font size. So it's up to you. Maybe 24 is the best option, and then change it to bold, and you can change the font here. Satoshi is also one of my favorite phone. So my when I at first when I still learning design, I used to copy like this, so we can know what size of width of the font like this. So it 32, and then you can minimize this and add percent, and after that it will appear as same as the inspiration, and then you can search for logo at the plugin and search for logo Ipsum. So you can just run it and select one of the logo. Just use this and change the color into white, and and then I want to delete this. So it just now I didn't like the logo, so I will change it. Maybe we use the minimum more. This one is good, and then I'm gonna change it into white, and then you can you, for practicing just follow the inspiration, but and give the credit. If you want to upload it into to Dribble or something social media to get credit that you the uh, copy the design, for example like this. And we take this two things from Spotify, and then after that we look for and we see the other inspiration. What can we take from the other inspiration? And I I love with the, for example, we're gonna take this. So yeah, we're gonna take this, and we will take the, and for the third impression we will take this. Okay, and we're gonna make it fast. So how do you make this? You can maybe look for rectangle and just make it as the same as your inspiration, because it can improve your uh, design skill, and you can increase the corner radius in here, and then you can remove the fill and then add the stroke and then make it more whiter, maybe like this, and then just follow as the same as the inspiration. So you can type in country or region, and then font size is 12, and now United States, States, plus 1, and then 20, I think 16, and make it regular, and we can change it more whiter with this, and then add some line. So and then just duplicate this, and then phone number. Okay, and after that we just group it, select all of the text, and then press Command G to group it, and then move it into here, and then change the color to white because our theme is black. So change into white, and then to white and white. So and then also change this into regular example like this, and then we can minimize this 50 maybe, and then make it 52, make it 52. Sorry, the stroke 50, and then make it medium, I think and yeah, so we, and then just copy. So for example, this is dummy text, and make it 12, and then like, and then just put it right here, and put it right here, and change it into white, and change the weight into regular, uh, and then change the color into 7 maybe, or 9 E. With that, we just, and how do we make this button? We can type continue and then uh, change it to 16 and press shift A, so it will create an auto layout. You can make it like this, and like this, and like this, and then add the padding. So in this side called padding, vertical padding, so add until 16 maybe, 16, and add fill, and then change the color into green maybe, and change the sign up for free, and also change the text color into black and make it bold and make it rounded. So as you can see, or maybe I just delete this. As you can see that we have this combination, and after that we will take this. So we just create this and this, and type for 14 or 12, maybe 12. Then make it auto again, and put it right here. Or maybe we just use this. It's apparently same as this. So we just duplicate this and type in continue with Google, and then change it, remove the fill and add the stroke white, change it into white, and then white. So yeah, and how do we add the logo? You can search for plugin right here, and then search for plugin called brand tag. So you can search for various of brands, and you can run it. And after that, you can search for google.com, and then copy it, so it will uh, pass, and then just uh, put it in the button. You can scale it down to 25 and make it auto, and at the margin. So we use the letter inspiration, so change the gap 16, and then make it center, and done. So wait, I want to make it like this, like this. And change it. No, 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 no. Oh wait, sorry. Yeah, make it like this, and then finally the time is there is and just add login because the time is running out, so I'm gonna make it fast. So I'm just gonna make this button. So yeah, so this is the design. You can put it right here and just customize it. And so yeah, so yeah, we just finished uh, our practice. So so yeah, I think that's all for today. So my tips is when you are designing, just if you were learning, you have to practice a lot of design. Have to practice more. You can use the inspiration from Mobin or Dribble, as I said before, for your practice, and then give a credit to if you want to upload it on Dribble or on social media. So, so yeah, the tips for me is you have to remix and keep practicing. So I think that is all for today. And remember the plugin. The plugin is logo option if you want any dummy logo, and then if you want to put Google, Facebook, or Apple logo, you can search for brand brand tag on the Figma plugin. So I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening. Sorry if I have a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.